Dentures are an oral appliance. They can be removed at any time and are meant to replace missing teeth. In the event that you are missing several or all your teeth due to factors such as injury, decay, aging, or advanced periodontal disease, dentures might be just what you want to renew the beauty and health of your smile. Dentures can help restore your lifestyle and boost your self-confidence by improving your look. The process for obtaining a new denture normally takes from 6 to 12 weeks, even though the time needed can vary based on each patient and the type of denture you're getting. There are two main forms of dentures that are known as complete dentures and partial dentures. A complete denture is used to replace all the teeth in a whole dental arch. You may need a complete denture to replace all of the teeth in both arches or just one. The denture sits on your gums and jawbone and replaces each one of your teeth. Your dentist may recommend using a denture adhesive for enhanced stability. Dental implants can also be put into the jawbone to enhance the firmness of your denture. A partial denture is used if you are missing one or more teeth, but have remaining natural teeth. A partial denture typically uses a thin framework, clasps or hooks which attach to the neighboring teeth to anchor the denture in place and ensure a secure fit like a complete denture. So if you need a partial denture, your dentist may need to prepare the neighboring teeth to encourage the denture. In your next visit, your dentist may also help you select the form and color of your own denture teeth to carefully match your natural tooth appearance and the shape of your mouth. Once the fit has been evaluated, the denture and dimensions are sent back to the lab for final manufacture. Once your final denture has been delivered, you will probably require some time to adapt to a denture. It frequently requires practice to feel fully comfortable eating and talking with your new denture. Some final adjustments might be required as well to boost your denture's fit and comfort. If you believe a denture may be the right choice for rebuilding your smile, please contact your dentist today.